What's going on, guys? It's Mike Seuss, and welcome to episode number 3 of my series, Must-Have Tesla Accessories, where we talk about must-have Tesla accessories in very short videos. Today, we're going to talk about HEPA filters and why you definitely need to have one installed on your Tesla.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it, a life worth living.
Okay, so first off, let's talk about what a HEPA filter actually is. A HEPA filter is a filter that prevents polluted air from entering your cabin when you have your AC or heat turned on in your Tesla. Teslas do come with a filter that filters the air, but the problem is the filter that it comes with is made of paper, and it does not do a very good job of stopping smaller particles from entering your cabin, which can be harmful if you breathe these kind of things in. These particles include things like bacteria, smoke, pollen, and even some gases. So adding a HEPA filter can prevent all of these things from coming in your Tesla's cabin. So now that we have that out the way, let's talk about a HEPA filter that I recommend you guys to get for your Tesla. So guys, this filter right here is the HEPA filter from a company called XTechnor, and I think it's the best HEPA filter you can buy on the market right now. So this filter can block particles above 0.3 microns in just 30 minutes, and it's the only filter that's made from 3 layers. So the first layer is a melt-blown electrostatic layer, and the second layer is the actual HEPA filter. And the third layer is a nutshell activated carbon layer. The special honeycomb design gives you better filtering and a longer life compared to other filters on the market. So if you guys do decide to pick these filters up, I'm gonna show you how easy the installation is right now. All right, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so the filters are actually located underneath the center console right in here. So the installation is going to be exactly the same for both the Model 3 and the Model Y, no matter which year you have. Okay, guys? So the first thing you're gonna do is use these 2 tools that are included in the box. So you have these 2 tools right here. One is a pry tool and one is a screwdriver to take off the screws underneath here, okay? All right, guys, so what you're gonna wanna do is go into the passenger side of the Tesla, and underneath the glove box, there's these little pull pins that pop out. So there's one here, there's one here, and there's one over here somewhere, okay? So all you gotta do is take the pry tool and pry the little pin down and then pull it, and it will pop out like this. It will pull out. So I don't know if you can see that, but you see how it's pulled out? Now, once you have all 3 taken off, which we're gonna do really quick. Okay, that's 2. And then we have one right here. Okay, so all 3 are taken out. Now that these are taken out, this piece will come off. It pulls off with the pry tool like this. All right, guys, so that's what it should look like. Do not disconnect any of these wires. They're very important. You don't have to do anything else but just pull these off. Now that you have this off, this piece right here that you see will pop off as well. So all you have to do is find a point where you can get it to pull out, okay? So once you have that out, all you have to do is pull, okay? Pull it completely off. There you go. All right, so now that we have that side panel pulled off, we're gonna take our screwdriver tool, right? And there's just one little screw that you guys have to take off, and it's this one right here, okay? Right in back here. That's all you have to do is take off this little screw. So we're gonna do that right now. Now guys, I already have my filters installed, so I am showing you how to remove them. It's the same thing as if you're removing the regular filters in the car. All right, guys, so just take off this screw. Okay, boom, taken off. And then this door will pop right off, okay, guys? So now that this door is off, that is where your filters are, okay? So there is the filter. So you're gonna see these little tabs on the side of the filters, right? There's one on the bottom, and there's actually gonna be one on the top. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that top tab and just pull the filter out. It just slides out. It's very simple. That's one filter, okay? Now there's also another filter in there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that second tab, you're gonna pull that filter up and out as well, okay? Now both the filters are out. So when you install the new filters, you're gonna put them in just like this. So the honeycomb pattern should be facing you, and this pattern should be facing the front of the car. So when you're ready to put the new filters in, all you do is the same process. Put the filter in and slide down. Then you're gonna take the second filter, same thing. Just put the filter in and slide. Okay guys, so all you have to do now is take the door that you took off, this door right here, and you're just gonna put it back on the way it came off, okay? Just like that, all right? And now all you gotta do is put the screw back in the hole, okay? And just tighten it up, right? Boom. Just take the tool that you had from the beginning, put it right in the screw, and just twist on. Oops. Okay, now that's back on. So the next step, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna simply take the piece that you popped off, the side panel, right? And just clip everything right back in. Okay, done. All right guys, so the filters are now installed. The side panel is back on, pushed in. Just make sure everything is clipped back on. There we go, perfect. And now all you gotta do is put this piece back on as well. So let's do that really fast. Push this back up, clip everything back in to the holes. All right, you should hear everything snap right back in. And then, remember guys, you're gonna take your little clips and put the clips right back in the same holes that you took them out of. Okay guys, super simple, super easy. Okay, there's one here. Pop it back in and push the button. 1, 2, and then one more right here. All right guys, super simple. All right guys, so as you can see, the installation was super easy, but I just want to show you one more thing that is optional. So a lot of you guys are having problems with your Model 3 smelling kind of musty after it rains from the AC unit. And there is a way to fix this that you can do while you're changing your filters. So there's a product here, it's called Cool It. And what it does is it cleans and refreshes your evaporator. Okay guys, so it's super easy to put this in. I already did it on mine, so I'm just gonna tell you how to do it. So once you take both of those filters out, you're gonna take this spray right here. So what it is, it's a can, right? And the can has a hose attached to it. So you're gonna take this hose and stick it into that empty compartment once you take those filters out, and just spray the whole entire can inside that empty space. All right guys, so you're gonna spray this in the empty space, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna take its time, about 5 minutes to 10 minutes, to clean the evaporator and get rid of all those musty smells and everything like that. And it's also gonna give your Tesla a cool minty smell, so when you use your AC, you're gonna have a nice minty smell. All right guys, this is optional. You do not have to do it if your Tesla smells just fine, but some people have a lot of problems with it and want to know how to get rid of that smell. All right guys, so this does it. So just spray this in there, wait about 5 to 10 minutes with your AC unit on, and then turn it off, install the filters, and you're good to go. So you might be wondering, who exactly is this filter for? Well, I recommend this filter for anyone who owns a Tesla. Why? Because it can keep you safe from all kinds of harmful particles that might be able to enter your Tesla at any time. You guys never know where you'll end up with your Tesla, so it's always better to stay safe than sorry. Also, if you're like me, this filter is great for people with crazy bad allergies. This is because this filter actually blocks the smallest particles of pollen as well, especially right now during springtime when it's at its absolute worst. So guys, you can get this filter right now for your Tesla by using the link in the description, or you can visit accessoriesfortesla.com, where you guys can find plenty of other Tesla accessories as well. Those of you guys who have stayed to the end of this video, I have this filter here, but I also have one more that I'm going to give away for free to one of you guys who are subscribed to my channel. All you have to do is be subscribed and comment the words below, HEPA Baby. All right, that's HEPA-BABY. And in my next video, I will randomly select a winner to grab this second pair of filters. All right, guys, so if you aren't already subscribed, subscribe and make sure to like this video as well, as I'll be having way more cool Tesla content and more giveaways coming up this entire summer. All right, guys, peace out.